Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Performance in Salina, Kansas, where you can find some of the best custom builds anywhere in the country, including this one behind me, which we're going to talk about, our Mack Truck Edition, which can only be found here at McArthur Ford, Salina, Kansas, where, by the way, we do free shipping. More information about the free shipping policy at the end of the video. You can also check the timestamp down below. We'll have a timestamp for the information on the free shipping. So in this video, we're going to cover this Mack Truck Edition. We're going to also talk about these stock units, what we base them off of from the factory, what factory equipment, what trim, all the configurations that we typically put on our Mack Truck Editions, and then what's included in the Mack Truck package itself for the price that you see online. So we're going to dive right in and talk about this, of course, one of a kind, only found here at McArthur Mack Truck Edition. Let's talk a little bit about how we base our stock units from the factory. But keep in mind, as we talk about some of the stock units we have two of them in stock right now, we can have those custom built the way you want it to. So if from the factory you would rather have an XLT or maybe even a Lariat, we can do that. So we can custom build specifically for you. So if you decide, hey, there's some things that I want on my truck that you're not putting on your stock units, I want to go to XLT, we can do that. So keep that in mind. We can customize it to your liking before we put the Mack Truck package on there. But for our stock units, talk a little bit about what we base them off of and why. We do go with the XL trim. We try to keep the cost down as much as we can, but giving you some nice equipment. So we start with the XL trim. We also make sure they're crew cab, like you're seeing here. Typically the Mack Truck does come in the F-350 dual rear wheels, but we can make it on an F-350 or F-250 with a single rear wheel. We've done a couple of those before. In fact, we have a used one that someone traded in that they purchased a couple years ago, I think in 2019, and it is actually a single rear wheel. So we can do it either one of those two ways. And we are putting these on the XL trim, and typically we will put them on the 6.7 liter diesel engine, but if you want it in the 7.3 Godzilla, we can do that as well. Again, we can customize it to your liking. Both the two units we have in stock are the 6.7 liter diesel engine. Also, we upgrade to the STX appearance package. So we go ahead and get that package on there. We do also, with that package, you get the nice chrome grille. So you get that chrome on the diesels, that high flow front grille there. So really dresses up, gives us the chrome grille in the front, which is the main reason we go to the STX appearance package. You get the badging on the side, as well as you get the cruise control included in the STX appearance package. Of course, we go with the power equipment group as well. Typically, I think you have to have that first. So power equipment group gives you power windows, power mirrors, power locks, also gets you the remote keyless entry with the flip key. And then as a standalone option, we also add the remote start to that remote as well. So you're going to get a remote start even on the XL trim, which is crazy. We also upgrade these and give you the Sync 3 system. Gives you the big 8-inch touchscreen with the voice activated system there. And also we upgrade it with as a standalone option, we add the Sirius XM satellite radio as well on the inside. Carpet flooring as well, we add to these because XL typically comes with vinyl. So we add the carpet flooring. This particular unit, we also added the bucket seats with the mini console, as you're seeing in there. So we add that to the truck too. Privacy glass as well. There's tinted glasses here on the side as well as the back glass. Also, this one has rear defrost. I think that must become as part of a package because it wasn't a standalone option. Speaking of the back of the glass, center high mounted stoplight. We do have a camera up there. So we did get the rear chismal camera, as some people like to call it. So that way you can see as you're backing up anything in the bed. Speaking of that, tailgate step. We added that as a standalone option on this particular truck too. So you'll have the tailgate step that's real easy to get in and out. As you can tell, even on the XL, you can order the tailgate step. Unlike some other manufacturers, you actually have to go up to their more luxury models to get in a kind of step to get into the bed. Fords, you can do it on the XL trim. Also, we added the platform running boards as a standalone option too. So pretty well equipped. You can see all the basics that a person would need, giving you full power features, even some upgrades with an 8-inch touchscreen, tailgate step, some of those nice features that most people will want, but not going over the board and ordering a bunch of things that some people may not want. So that's where we started off, but then we add the Mack Truck package. Let's talk about that. Now we're going to start at the front, and we're going to move around to the side, to the back, and then go inside. But something special about this front bumper, this is custom made for McArthur. So you cannot find this steel bumper anywhere else. It is made by Thunderstruck. They work with us to make it custom built just for us. So steel front bumper, you will see the Mack Truck is kind of cut out there on the bottom part of that, and that's why it's specifically just for us and can be only found at McArthur Ford. You can see the LED lights here too, rough country LED lights. They are wired in to the dash, so you can see there's a switch and on-off right to the left of the steering wheel, so you can turn it on with the headlights with the vehicle turned off if you want to, and then turn it on and off at will that way. So that's real nice. Very bright LED lights when you turn those on. Now the first thing that we're going to do over here on the side is we put a suspension lift on it. So a 2.5-inch front suspension lift with adjustable track bar and the drop bracket for the track bar. So lift that up, it's a great suspension under there and gives it some off-road capabilities. Also allows us to put these nice black fuel wheels. I think it's their Maverick design, 22-inch wheel. So big wheel, so not just 20, but 22-inch there. You will see the super single in the front. So great looking set of wheels on this. And then we wrap it in a Toyo 37-inch mud terrain tire. So real nice set of tire combinations so you can go off-roading, get plenty of traction with these wheel and tire combination here. Also, you're going to see, oh, by the way, after we put the wheels, tires, and the lift kit in, we also do a 4-wheel alignment and a Hypertech speedometer recalibration, so you're good to go there. Also on the side, you're going to see the window tint. So we're a SunGuard certified window tint dealer here. So we're going to add window tint to the front windows. And then this, you can see this year's graphics. So it is, we've kind of did it a little differently each year. And so we've kind of went to a more simplified look here. So really like the Mack truck graphic on the front doors. And so here's a clip from last year so you can see the difference. So let us know, what do you think? Do you like this year's or last year's? Put it down in the comments. I'd love to get your feedback. Now moving to the back, just like with the front, we do have the custom Thunderstruck rear bumper. So steel rear bumper with the custom Mack truck etching right there. So looks real sharp back here. Again, only can find this bumper here at Long McArthur Ford. It does also have the cutouts for the wiring and your jack there. They do a great job there at Thunderstruck for us, giving us our own custom bumper. Also inside, you're going to see the Toff spray and bed liner. So we are Toff spray and liner, certified spray and liner here. So we do those in-house. So great job with that. We have a guy that's been with us for a long time and does a phenomenal job with our spray and liners on all of our trucks. So we're not done yet. Did some things to the interior as well. And one of them, actually, this interior is actually done first. So as soon as it's actually dropped off from the factory at Top King in Kansas City, where they put the custom leather seats. This is a Roadwire brand leather seat design that we asked them to work with us on that. So it has the white stitching, black with the gray. So great look to the front bucket seats, as well as you can notice it even has the two-tone leather in the back seat as well. So not just the front seat, but also the bench in the back. And then on these front seats, we add the heated seat feature as well. So there's a button on the side. You can just turn that on, 3 different control spots for that, adding the heated seats to the front seats. All-weather mats as well, so we throw those in as well. They're a WeatherTech brand all-weather mats that go in the line in the footwells in the front 2 seats, as well as the mat that goes clear across the back seat. So all that is done and covered with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty from Long McArthur Ford. So we'll cover everything for you. So real nice and how that's all put together and done, and covered with the same warranty as your factory warranty. So keep that in mind as well. Again, you can only find this package at Long McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas. So if you're wanting to see what inventory we have right now, go to our website. If you just click that, go to longmcarthur.com, and if you click that black Long McArthur logo up there, performance logo, you can see our custom Long McArthur performance packages. So we do a lot of custom packages on different models, so you can see all the different models that we do custom packages on. If you click on that Mack truck link there, that'll go to a page dedicated to our Mack truck. More information about everything I've talked about in this video is listed in there. Price as well for the package, because we can break it off and put this on a different truck. So that way you know what the package cost is, so you can kind of go from there. If you want to put this on a different factory build, you can do that. So that information is there. Plus, if you scroll down a little bit more, you'll see our inventory down there as well. So we have, again, 2 black ones in stock right now, both of them diesel, both of them equipped exactly the same. So just keep that in mind. But if you want some custom build, like we had someone, he actually wanted one of our Mack trucks, and we built one specifically for him, I think in a white. So we can do that as well for you. So just reach out to us if you want to do that. You can call or send us a text message. Numbers are on the screen, so our BDC can help you out and get you all the answers you need for that, as well as we have a great aftermarket department that comes up with these custom builds there, and in our aftermarket department. So we have a great job there, and we are just proud of what they do there. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Now, if you are looking to get something and you want something shipped, we can ship these to you for free. The way that works, our free shipping, just tell them you mentioned this and watch this video and you want that free shipping. We can ship this vehicle to you. We just ask you to finance a vehicle with us. That's pretty simple on how that works. So the lender gives us a kickback. They give us what they call back-end profit for giving the loan to them. So if you plan on financing anyway, it's not a cost incurred onto you. And then we get enough kickback that we can cover up to about $1,000 of the shipping cost. So you know, that way if it's going to be further than 1,000 miles, we'll cover the first $1,000. If it's less than that, we'll cover the full cost. So just keep that in mind. So let us know where you're at. We can ship to about anywhere within that $1,000. There are a couple places we noticed when we talked about Maverick that we're just outside of that. So we can, you know, maybe work with you on that and see if we can cover the rest of the cost. So just reach out to us and we can go over that with you. Hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. Put your comments down below. What do you think of this package? Do you like it? And also, don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel yet, hit the red subscribe button down below so you can get subscribed over to the channel. Hit the notification bell. You'll also get notified the next time we have another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. You can also find us on social media. We're at Law McArthur on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We also have a dedicated page to our performance vehicles on Facebook as well. So you can just search for Law McArthur Performance and find that page where we kind of post some of the special builds that we do, as well as some other different custom trade-ins that we get, used trade-ins that you might be interested in as well. So definitely check those out. And until the next video, we'll see you later.